What's going on, local business pros? Michael here, and in this video I'm going to be talking about local SEO and the prompt generator that I built for ChatGPT that can pretty much help you save a bunch of money. So in this video I'm going to be showing you why most local SEO retainers are overpriced, what actually matters for ranking locally, and then the prompt generator I built, which replaces what people pay agencies for. So let's go ahead and dive in. Most local SEO packages are built on blog posts nobody reads, generic service pages, vague reports, and these agencies sell processes, not outcomes. They'll tell you Google takes time, we're building authority, it's a long-term play, which is partially true, but it hides the fact that 80% of local SEO is repeatable, templated work, and repeatable work is exactly why AI is the best at it. So local SEO rankings are driven by a few core things. So relevance, activity, clarity, and trust signals. That's really it. Not 40 blog posts, not backlinks, not SEO magic. And here's the key insight that most people miss. The hardest part of local SEO is not the execution, it's knowing what to create. And that's a prompting problem, not a marketing problem. AI, especially now with it basically being its own browser, they don't really care that your website looks nice or the blog post looks nice. It wants to be able to understand what the blog post or the Google My Business post, Facebook, website, whatever. It needs to be able to understand that. Now, before someone says, I can just write that in ChatGPT to do local SEO. Yes and no. If you just say, write me a service page for HVAC in Indianapolis, you'll get generic fluff, no local intent, no conversion psychology, no structure Google actually likes. That's why people think that AI doesn't work for SEO. The issue isn't SEO, it's bad prompts. SEO agencies, they don't win because they're smarter. They win because they know what questions to ask and what structure to follow. So I did something different. I built the prompt generator. It's called the Autopilot Local SEO. I forget what it's called already. It's called the Autopilot Local Prompts. So I'm about to go into that in a second. Instead of asking AI random questions, this generator, it builds service pages with proper local relevance. It generates Google Business Profile posts, writes FAQs, creates review response prompts, and it structures everything the way that local SEO agencies do, just without the retainer. You don't write content, you input your business, your service, and your location, and the generator outputs ready-to-use assets. This replaces $1,000 monthly retainers, slow turnaround times, and agencies that don't understand your business anyways. So this is basically for any local business that you understand AI and you get that it can help you, you just don't understand really the tools yet. So let's go into an example. Let's go over to ChatGPT. So this is the autopilot prompts. I'm gonna put the link to the GPT in the description below so you can click that. And then really you just gotta ask it. I'll go to a new chat. So it is your specialized AI marketing manager for local service businesses. Instantly generates hyper-local, high-converting prompts for Google Business Profile, local SEO. So these right here are just questions to get you started, but you can just say, I need to post for my Google Business Profile. So as you can see right here, before I create a Google Business Profile, I need to correct two quick details. It's fully optimized. What city and state is your business located in? We're gonna go with, it's located in Indianapolis, Indiana. So here is the prompt that it generated. Keep your home warm this winter, Indianapolis. Boom, just leaves the space out for your business name, HVAC technicians. Tip, add a photo. So really just copy and paste that. Then right here, it gives you basically the strategy about why it did it this way. But let's say I need a service page. So it generates the service page already with keywords implemented. All you got to do is re-put your business name. Gives you ideas for the meta titles. So it does. As you can see right here in the GPT, it just has some references, but yeah, what did it say here? You can generate 30 days of GME posts. Yeah, let's give me, I got a 1-star review. Oh shit. Boom. I used to run a cleaning business, and I definitely went to ChatGPT. I didn't get a 1-star review, but I did get a 4-star. So definitely go ahead and check this out. It saves me so much time building out websites, stuff like that. But let's say I literally just created it the other day. Facebook post calendar for me. That's because I can spell. What's your main goal? Okay. For and voila. Would you look at that? So you got a bunch of posts, week 2, Monday, Wednesday, Friday. Did you know that most? Yeah, so go ahead and check out this tool. It's pretty dope. But just finishing off the who's this for? This is not for people who want to do nothing, who think SEO is a magic switch, or businesses that don't care about consistency. This is for local service businesses, contractors, home services, clinics, anyone tired of paying retainers for templated work. If you're already paying thousands a month for local SEO, this should honestly piss you off a little. I'm not saying SEO is dead. I'm saying overpaying for it is. AI didn't kill local SEO. It killed the excuse for charging $1,000 months for repeatable tasks. So if you want the prompt generator I built, just go to the description below. Stop renting SEO, start owning it. That is going to be it for this one, Local Business Pros, and I'll see you in the next one.